Indian audio platform Kuku FM filed for an IPO. Well done. They're looking to raise around 3,500 crore rupees. The valuation, roughly $1.8 billion. This is genuinely a big deal for India's creator economy, and here's why. A sector that's actually spent years building audiences, experimenting, trying different things, it's now attracting venture capital and it's heading to the public markets. Kuku FM started in 2018 with a very simple idea. Millions of Indians want access to stories, knowledge, entertainment, but they don't always have time to sit down and read. So they built around audio books, storytelling series, educational programs, personal development content, business insights, regional language content designed specifically for Indian audiences. Now, for quite some time, India's startup success stories were fintech, e-commerce, SaaS, all software first plays, mind you. Now, a company built around content is preparing for one of the biggest startup IPOs of the year. Kuku FM's operating revenue nearly tripled in fiscal year 25, hit around 177 crore rupees. The company's been spending heavily on customer acquisition and content investments to scale the platform, and investors are definitely paying attention. Reports suggest they're targeting a valuation of nearly $1.8 billion when they hit the public markets. The importance here goes way beyond Kuku FM because India's startup ecosystem produced large companies in payments, commerce, logistics, software. All of those categories got their IPO moment for sure. Now, content-led technology platforms are getting there too. This IPO shows there's demand for regional language content. That market definitely exists, and it's worth actually betting on. This filing matters for another reason, which is the creators. Yes, it builds an entirely new ecosystem around audio storytelling, writers, voice artists, content producers, educators, regional language creators, independent storytellers. Wow, that's quite a plethora of an ecosystem. All of them are now part of India's digital content economy. And that economy is growing fast. Of course, video producers as well. India's startup ecosystem is transforming. More companies are moving beyond private funding. They're preparing for public listings. And every successful IPO expands the pool of capital available for the next wave. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, for Kuku FM, this IPO is actually the next chapter. It shows how homegrown digital platforms scale from niche products into nationally recognized businesses. Kuku FM started with a bet that Indians would listen. You know what? Millions do now. And today, the company is taking that story to the public markets. Will you be listening? Well, if you are, then please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think I am.